on this Paul Sizzling Arrow. What can I say? I've got another unboxing video here for you. So come to find out, I've got a opportunity to do a little bit of field bird hunting, and I wanted to take my son with me, but the only problem is I've only got one shotgun. So decided to look around, do a little research, and picked up another shotgun. I've been wanting a semi-automatic for a little while, and I've got this gem right there. It's Winchester. I wonder if you guys can bet what is inside that. Well, if you can't, because we can't really tell just by looking at the box now, can we? So we're gonna go ahead and open it up, and I'm gonna show you what I got in here. And then I'm gonna tell you what kind of price I got it for. So we're gonna go ahead and open up their classic little Cabela's tape here. And there we go, comes off nice and easy. Helps if you got a good pocket knife. So, well, come on man, there you go. All right, safety sheet. All right, so what we've got here, I'm going to actually bring that camera around and show you guys what we got. Box. Got your Cabela's thing, and it's in two pieces, broken down. Pretty nice looking setup. You've got your instruction manual, and there just gave it away. It's an SX4, black, semi-automatic Winchester. You've got your little tools there. Comes with two separate chokes. One is a 1/4 inch, other the half. Of course, your safety features, all that fun stuff, because you need more safety. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this thing out, put it together, and show you guys what it looks like. But that is what you're going to get in the box if you end up grabbing one of these. All right, guys. So one cool thing about this is that you know, they've got a couple different patterns. I was looking for something that was reasonable, not terribly expensive. Of course, you're going to pay about $150, $200 more for a camo pattern. So that's why I opted for the black. So we're going to go ahead and unravel everything here. Be careful. Unscrew this piece here. Okay, just like that. All right, so we're on. Now, take this, maybe, I should slide right in here. There we go. All right, we are put together. Hold on, gotta put this on there. Good. All right, y'all. There she is. She's all put together, ready to rock and roll. Boom, just like that. So So you guys see me struggle a little bit putting it together. It's all a learning curve. That's okay. No biggie. But we are put together now. I can't wait to get this thing out and shoot a little bit. So yeah, if you guys are in the market for a new shotgun, I haven't shot this yet, but it feels good, man. It feels real good. So, picked this thing up at Bass Pro Shops. It was the last one they had. They don't have any black anywhere in the store or in the company anymore. With this, there's a display. There we go. There was a display model, and there's a few little marks on it. Nothing I can't live with, but it got me $70, $80 off. So I picked this thing up right at $800 or $700. So pretty good price for this compared to other places. So yeah, pretty good, pretty happy with it so far. We'll go see how it shoots, and we'll do a video with that here before long. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you you gotta watch me struggle a little bit. That's all good. But go out and get a shotgun if you're in need for one. Winchester is always a good brand. So one recommendation that I do have, if you are looking for a shotgun, go out and feel some, because not all guns feel the same. I tried 4 different brands, and this one felt the best to me. So anyway, we'll talk to you guys soon. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll get out here and do some shooting here after a while. I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.